I told this. Ami took measurements. Oh yeah. So on one day, Ina was taking my measurements, but on the other day, Ami, for the different equipment, we needed different measurements and all that. So Ami took my measurements, and then Ina was putting, some balls on me. Yeah, and then they tried like taping my fingers and toes, and then put balls on there too. Yeah, Ina and Ame touched basically every body part of me. Anyway, the suit and me, we were very sweaty by the end of the day. Even the gloves were like kind of moist. But Gura wanted to try it on quickly at the end of the day. So I was like, Gura, are you sure? Like, it's really stinky now. But yeah, she wanted to try it on, so she tried it on. She did some stuff with it. Yeah. Yeah, played around with it.